drive you.
Hi, Skylar. What? CJ, come here.
Will you home?
CJ.
Dad, who's CJ?
He's coming.
Get it!
Go get the kids some bread.
I want to feed a boat.
Well, come here, grab some. Ooh, what? You got it right in my hand. You should go tell him, because his bread is grabbing from your hands. Throw it up in the air. Throw it up in the air. Hurry. Up in the air. Kind of like this. Throw it up in the air. Okay. Cut it up in pieces. Throw it up in the air. You want to see him get it from my hand?
Yeah.
There you go. Want to see it again? But you gotta have a big piece of it because they don't use fingers. You gotta get a big piece and hold it. Yeah. Okay, hold it at the end. Hold it at the very tip and then hold it in the air. Oh, you didn't let it get in your hand.
I don't want them to
Take it out of my hand.
They're hungry.
They're hungry, all right.
She got funny feet.
See the tracks they make in the sand?
We're waiting.
Want to see them get it from my fingers again?
Yeah.
Here we go.
Don't sand in my face.
We're fighting.
If you have too small of a piece of
They get so happy when they fall through. Ah!
There was a kid. Scar said his red chubby cheeks attract the seagull.
red pieces.
They do cowboys.
You can jump it.
That's all.
A little more.
You want any more food?
That's it.
That's all the food we have. That's all the food we have, guys.
Fly away somewhere else.